Hello boss mates, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry it has taken so long, but my daughter accidentally broke my laptop and I felt real uncomfortable posting a YouTube video without my intro. Then I thought about it and I was like, Nisha, no one really cares about your intro. They just need the information. So here I am for a new video. Today we are going to talk about the essentials that you need for your boutique business. I have actually seen a few other people do videos like this, and you all know that I like to give you all the straight up truth. I like to help you all that are on budgets because I started off as an unemployed boutique owner, so I had to start off on a strict budget. So today we're going to talk about those essentials, but we're going to talk about those essentials that you need when you are on a budget. So I'm going to tell you all the things you will need first. Then we're going to go inside my house so you can see my little office area, and then I will show you most of those items. I didn't want to film the entire video with me sitting at my desk because the lighting sucks in my house. I mean, we've already talked about it. I already figured out what I'm going to do to fix that though, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so grab your pen and paper, you guys, and let's get started. Now, when you are starting a boutique, of course you need a website. You should already know you need to be on Shopify. Shopify is made for shopping. That's why it is called Shopify. So if you are not already on Shopify, go ahead and click the link in the description box at the end of this video and you can get a 14-day free trial with Shopify. I absolutely love it. And if you want to see why I love it, there will be a video link right up here that you all can click on to see my top 10 reasons why I love Shopify. I'm so tired of this little fly. This fly was not here this entire time. Then when I want to start filming, now it wants to come around. Anyway, now you have your website. You need to have pictures. I would, of course, show you all my tripod, but my phone is on my tripod. And of course, tripods come with a little clicker. So if you want to take pictures of yourself, you can just use that clicker and put your phone on a timer or whatever you want to do and go from there. Now, you can get tripods super easy, super cheap. Link in the description box. I'm going to have links in the description box for just about everything that I tell you all that you're going to need, okay? So, tripod, of course, is number one, what you're going to need to take your pictures. You don't really need a professional camera. You can use your phone. Most cameras nowadays are perfect for taking pictures. Do not worry about them looking professional, but you still want them to be clear and get perfect pictures of just the items. Don't really worry about the model. The model can be you. Next, if you are not on a budget, I do suggest getting a mannequin just so you can take cute pictures, or you can also get a fur rug. Even if you're on a budget, you can still get a fur rug. I got mine for 10 bucks at Walmart, and those fur rugs can be great for taking those really pretty flat lay pictures that you see on Instagram boutiques pages. Okay, so next, I do recommend, sorry y'all, I'm looking at my notes. I do recommend you all getting planners and getting notebooks or folders. This is going to be essential because you all need to make sure that you all are planning out every single thing you need to do. You need to plan out your Instagram posts, your Facebook posts. You need to know what you're ordering. You need to have all of your invoices in one notebook or folder so you can keep up with them. You need to be able to keep up with your receipts if you're going to be doing your taxes. Well, not if, when you're going to be doing your taxes, all of that. So it is essential that you all stay organized. Get planners, notebooks, folders. I have a ton of them. And I'm going to be making something super cool for boutique owners. Make sure you all join my email list because I don't really want to announce it because people have already started taking my ideas off YouTube. So if you want to know something cool that I'm creating around planning, click that link in the description box to join my email list, okay? All right, next. Now you have everything you need to take pictures. Now you have a customer or multiple customers. They have started purchasing from you. Now you need to start shipping. So what do you need to ship? First, you need a scale. When you are on a budget, you of course may want to go to the post office to ship your items, but I don't recommend doing that. We want to start off as professional as possible and of course branded. So I would say get a scale. When you get a scale, you need to know how much your package weighs, obviously. So when you are shipping your packages from home through Shopify, it's going to ask you the weight of your package. And Shopify also gives you discounts through shipping through UPS, FedEx, and USPS. So that's another reason why I say don't go to the post office, just do it all at home. Now, you can get a scale from stamps.com. You can get a scale from your local post office. I, of course, got my scale offline because it was cheaper. So, link down below. Get you a scale, honey. Now, after you get your scale, you also are going to need polymailers. I suggest getting a colored polymailer. That way it is to your brand aesthetic. My polymailers are purple because you all know my colors are purple, black, and white in that order. So I also suggest, gosh y'all, sorry, I also suggest getting 2 different sizes, so that way if you have someone who has a big order, you have a bigger one, and then you have smaller ones. I will show you those towards the end of the video. Now, if you sell something like lashes or hair or something that is more fragile, I do suggest getting poly mailers, but getting bubble mailers. And you can still get those in color. So that way your items are protected when you send them out to your customers. Now you have your scale, you have your poly mailers. Now you need to put a label on them. I do have a video for you guys all about labels. You don't think about labels and how important they are for your business, but they are. So, link right up here. Make sure you all watch that video because some people truly doubt the importance of labels. So you can print off your labels right at home. Only thing you have to do is you can go online if you want to eBay or Amazon. I can leave a link down below for that, what type of labels you will need. But I actually get my labels from Office Depot. I apologize for this truck pulling up. It's going to hear a lot of noise. He literally just did a circle in my cul-de-sac. Why? Okay, so I actually get mine from Office Depot. I think it was like, I forgot how much they were, but if you watch that video that I put up here, you will see how much I paid for them. But it's about 96 in a pack. And you can put them in your printer. So you're going to need a printer. I got my printer from Walmart, $18.99. You only need a regular printer. But if you are not on a budget or you are willing to splurge, I do suggest getting a printer that is Bluetooth. So that way you can print the labels straight from your phone. You can connect your phone to your printer and print them that way. Now, if you, once again, are not on a budget, you can also get a Dymo label writer. And those are a little bit better because you don't have to worry about ink. It's thermal. So whereas a printer, you're going to have to buy ink. And you all know ink costs even more than a printer. So it depends on you. If you are okay with getting a regular printer for about $18, $19 from Walmart, do that. If not, get you a Bluetooth printer or get you a Dymo label writer printer. I have both. I will show you all towards the end of the video in my house. Now, you're going to print those labels off of your Shopify site and you're going to stick it right on your poly mailers. If you want to see what I'm talking about, make sure you click the link right up here so you can see me ship my items out in a very simple way. You're also going to need printer paper. So you're still going to need a printer regardless because you're going to need to put in your, I forgot what it's called, your packing slip. I couldn't think of the word. So the packing slip is like a receipt. It shows your customer what they bought, all of that, and they can say thank you on it. And some people like to put in thank you notes inside of their packages. I do not. I will put in a business card sometimes. But the only reason why I don't is because I think that's a waste of money. Your website should be automated. So time a person buys something from your site, you should automatically have an email that goes straight to them, thanking them for their purchase, giving them a discount code, telling them to tag you on Instagram with your hashtag. Boom. Don't waste your money getting a thank you card to put into all of these doggone packages. There's no reason for it. It's going to get thrown away most likely anyway. Do it through email. Next, you are going to, if you're going to have someone come pick up your items, make sure you have bags. If you're going to be vending, of course, you're going to need bags. I get my bags from Dollar Tree as well as the tissue paper that goes in them. I do have a video for that, of course, where you can shop with me in Dollar Tree right up here. And here's another car coming. Sorry. Okay, so after you have all of that, you are, of course, like I mentioned earlier, going to need business cards. You can design your own business cards on canva.com, or you can go to vistaprint.com, design them there, and print them there. I do not suggest printing and shipping your business cards from Canva because Canva is more expensive than Vistaprint, and Vistaprint always has sales. So use Vistaprint to print and ship your business cards. Next, you're going to need a Shopify POS reader. if you're going to be going out and about and selling your items. If you are on Shopify, which we've already discussed that you should be, you can get this reader for free. They will send it to you. I forgot how to get to it, but I'm sure if you search for it, it will pull up. So the only thing this is, I will show it to y'all when we get in my house. If you are out vending and someone buys something from your site, your Shopify POS reader, which is a card reader, you guys, it is connected to your site. So let's say you buy this shirt from me at my vending table. Once you swipe your card and you pay for it and everything else, the email goes to your email. Then Shopify actually takes that away from my site. So it keeps up with my inventory. So that is the main reason why I use that over Square. A lot of people keep telling people to use Square. Do not use Square if you already have a Shopify site. If you have a Shopify site, get a Shopify card reader. Now, get a Square. I have one, but it's for backup, just in case I cannot connect to my to Wi-Fi, or I have a bad signal, because the Shopify card reader needs to have a Wi-Fi signal or a regular, phone signal, network signal. So I do have a Square as a backup. Now you can type in a person's number if your Shopify card reader is not working, but if you do that, it would take a higher percentage away from your profit. So those are the things that are the essentials that you will need. I'm gonna go through that list again, just in case you all do not remember or we skip something. That is the tripod, mannequin, fur rug, planner, notebooks, folders, scale, polymailers, labels, printer and printer paper, label writer, optional thank you cards, which I do not suggest, just do an email, bags, business cards, tissue paper, Shopify reader, Square reader for backup. Now I'm going to take you into my house. And you all can see my little desk area and all of the items that I was just talking about. Do not forget that everything will have some kind of link in the description box, so you all can find these things on your own. Okay, all right, let's go inside. All right, you guys, this is my little office area inside my bedroom. Here is my mannequin and all of this. Do not mind a little mess that I have on my shelving right now. I'm in the process of reorganizing some things. Okay, so here is my fur rug that I was talking about. It is super long. I don't know where the sequin came from. So it is quite big. I keep it folded up under here. Now here's a notebook, pads, all of that, and then here are business cards and also my Shopify reader. So here's what it looks like, you guys. This is the back, this is the front. See how it has Shopify on it, and this right here is where you can slide the card, or if the person has a chip, you can't really tell, but you can insert it right here. And it does charge, as you all see. It does come with a charger. And then right here is when you turn it on and then you hold it so that way it connects to your phone through Bluetooth. So make sure you have the Shopify POS app connected to your phone so that way the reader will connect to your phone. Here are my business cards. I actually designed these myself, of course. I'm actually going to be changing them up because I changed my little motto right there. As you all know, mine has changed. Instead of where fashion and confidence collide, mine now is anyone can be basic, but we make you slay. So that is my new one. Next, it's always good to have a selfie stick if you all ever need one. If you're going to be filming out and about, you want people to see behind the scenes. That is also a good thing. Here's another one of my notepads. Planner, which actually says planner. I have a little dry erase board, and I have a big one right here. And then this little folder right here, I have some of my invoices in it. So that's there for organizational purposes. Excuse me. Now, we were also talking about printers. So here is my regular printer that I got from Walmart for it was either $18.99 or $19.99. Just a regular Canon printer, as you can see, nothing too fancy. I don't know what that is on top of it. And then, of course, there's a scanner. I don't really use that. And then, of course, you have the regular paper in here that I need for the packing slips. And then this is the actual pack for my shipping labels that I use. This is one of my smaller ones. This one has 20 labels in it, which is 10 sheets. And as you can see, it's just the regular labels that you can use. It actually shows you where you can go to if you need to use a template or anything, but you don't really need to do all of that. It has the measurements right here. If you go into Shopify, you can put this in. It is a regular internet shipping label with 5.5 by 8.5, and it will print out just fine. And then, of course, here's the the regular printer paper. Now, here is a scale that I got off eBay, but I use this one from stamps.com. I can't remember if I paid for this or not. I just remember going to stamps.com and happening to see it, and I like this one a little bit better. Let me turn it on. I think it might be dead. Let's see. Oh, wait, that's not the one. Okay, so that is what it looks like on. So you will see it goes to 0. You will put something in your bags, and then you stick your bag on top of it, and it will tell you, well, this is too light. Okay, there we go. So this is like 8 ounces. It's not even a pound. So once you do that, you will type into your Shopify part how much it weighs, and then you'll print out your labels. This is a Dymo label writer. I have the 450 Turbo. Like I said, I rarely use it. I don't know why I don't really use it. I just started using this. I really don't know why. You can do either one. I actually did get this off of Wish. These Dymo label writers, the 450 and the 450 XL, they are super expensive. I actually got mine off of Wish for $100 even, which is kind of shocking that it actually was what it said it was. I just bought it on a whim just to see if Wish was telling the truth. And they were telling the truth. So, lucky me. So, I do use it every once in a while. But like I said, I just use the shipping labels down here and my printer. Either way, you can do it. Now, here are, let's see, there's the tissue paper. I have different colors of when I do vending. Make sure you all are following me on Instagram, by the way, because I have several videos about what you need if you're going to be a vendor, and I also have several videos about how to get ready to be a vendor and what my vendor booths or vendor tables have looked like in the past. So I know a lot of people ask me questions about that, and I suggest just going to my Instagram at royal_aries325, going to my Instagram TV channel so you can see those videos. Okay, so here is one of my polymailers. You all can see how big that is, and then I have a smaller one. That's if someone just orders one little small shirt or something from my site. And as you can see, they are my brand color. See how all of that is the same color? That is my brand color, of course. So everything is the same. Those are the polymailers that I need. Super cheap. I love these. And then if you want, you can also have some kind of shelving to keep up with your inventory, your books, or whatever else. Like I said, do not pay attention to this. I don't have many bags left because I was just at an event. So here's one of my black bags, and then I have smaller purple ones. I'm also going to be doing a video so you all can see what I'm going to do to my bags to make sure that they are customized. But I'm doing this in a cheap way, so that way I don't have to spend a ton of money. So this is my little office area. Like I said, if you all have any questions for me, do not hesitate to reach out. As you all know, I do not mind answering any of your questions. Make sure you all are following me on Instagram so that way you can see the videos that do not make it to my YouTube. I hope this was very helpful to someone, and make sure you all tune in to my next video because we're going to be talking about scheduling on Instagram. All right, you guys, thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye.